This is my new Galaxy Watch 7 and I realized the watch band comes with this new quick release design. I find it's pretty tricky at the beginning, but there is a technique to easily replace and install the watch band, which I'll show you in this video. Hi everyone, welcome to another Sky Perspective video. There is a button here, and surrounding the button, there is a fence, if you like, to prevent the button from being pressed when we are wearing the watch. So we need to use our fingernails to push the button into the band, which makes it very difficult. What I'm doing now is the difficult way to do it, pressing really hard onto the button using my fingernails. Pressing the button will retract these two pins into the watch band. Let me show you this. These are the two holes where the pins sit. Now, let me show you an easier way to remove and install the watch band. So rather than pressing the button and lifting the watch band up, we let the bottom pin stay in place and focus on just removing the top pin. So pressing the button, twist the top pin out and notice that the bottom pin is still in place. And by doing so, it's very easy to remove the watch band. We can use the same technique to install the watch band too. So rather than trying hard to press the button to retract both pins at the same time, we let the bottom pin easily sit into the hole without pressing the button. So now we've got the first pin in the hole, and while pushing the second pin towards its hole, we press the button to retract the second pin and it will fall into its hole easily. There we go, the watch band is installed. Easy. I hope you find this video useful. Please give this video a like so it can spread to an even wider audience. On my channel, I try to share useful tips like this one that you can't find in other YouTube channel. Your support helps me create more content like this one. Watch my next Galaxy Watch 7 video appearing on the screen next. I'll see you over there.